What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Gould Gaming and Tech channel, and today we are back again with another big tech video. You already know what's about to happen. It is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event of August 2021, and you know it just happened, so I gotta give y'all all the good stuff because y'all know I'm not here to waste y'all time. I'm not here to waste y'all time. I got my credit card right here, I got a laptop right here, I got another laptop right here, so you know when pre-orders go live, we on there. Alright, so this video I'm just gonna give you guys the brief information you need about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. If you're thinking about getting it, I'm gonna just drop some specs and stuff here for you guys. So as always, if you're appreciating the content, you're enjoying what I'm doing, you're picking up what I'm putting down, feel free to hit that like button, that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. They're doing this presentation, so I just want to give you guys some quick things on it. So you have the Galaxy Watch 4 and you have the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now the Classic one is the one with the bigger bezels on it. So if you're into that and you want that larger feel to your watch, feel free to go for that. Me personally, I'm not about that life, so I won't be getting the Classic. I will be getting the regular one. And as far as the price, I'm gonna just get that out the way because I know you guys want to know. Price is $249, I believe, and the Classic is a little bit more expensive. But so you know what price range, pretty much the same price that it always is. So if you're in the market for that, feel free, go for it. One key thing, as you can see, there's a new OS to the screen, so, or just the operating system. So as far as the functionality of it, they added some key things. They added some new widgets, some new complications, some new things. They have this BIA feature. It's like a biometric analyzer of like your it's put it in plain terms, it's similar to like your BMI. You know, my BMI personally is never correct because I'm an athlete. I move and work out and do stuff all the time. So my BMI always says I'm overweight. So how accurate this is gonna be, I don't know. But if you're into that, it will measure your BIA is what they're calling it. And you just use, oh, I can show you on my watch here. You just use your two fingers like this, and I guess it scans it and it gives you your reading. I think personally that's a weird gesture to kind of do, but you know, it is what it is. They got to read it somehow. So if you're into that, there you go. The release date, I know y'all want to know. If you're into this watch, August 27th of this year. So I believe pre-orders are live now, so you can order it and you'll get it by August 27th. And what's today? Today's the 11th. That's about 16-17 days away. So actually, yeah, it's about 16-17 days away. So you can get that watch like ASAP. You don't even have to wait until the end of the month or to the next month. You can get it right now. As you can see, they got some similar colors to the phones. They have the black, the green, and like that peachy-ish color or that tan color. I'm personally just gonna get the black because I'm gonna pre-order the black Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. So I'm trying to make everything match around here. You know, I gotta keep the swaggle. You know I gotta keep that. All right, some more things that she's talking about in this video. The health app features. There's a lot. They're primarily focusing on health. Obviously, if you're getting this watch, you're active, you're moving around, you're working out, you're sweating. I keep this watch on like all the time. So them improving on the health features, definitely a big deal. There's gonna be a lot more experiences where it's gonna track your breathing, your heart rate, your BIA like they're advising, the sleep. It's supposed to be, you know, intensified to the degree of making sure you know where you stand health-wise, and it does nothing but help. That it can't hurt you at all just to know where you stand health-wise. Obviously, nothing beats going to the doctor, but they're gonna provide what they can on your wrist, and for them to be able to do that, I'm not gonna complain. So we're gonna keep watching this video real quick just to get some key points, because like I said, I want y'all to get the info y'all need. Y'all don't need to see all this extra people playing with the watch, doing Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Kung Fu stuff with the watch. Y'all want to see, hey, how much it costs, when does it come out, what colors do they have, what features do they have, and when can I get it? And also, yeah, how it pairs with the phone. So he's just talking about like the BIA, and they're basically explaining they put some of these features in other devices, whether it be your phone, smaller watch devices, remotes. They try to put it in, but they're trying to bring all that to you. And you can see traditional BIA devices whether it be on machines, whatever the case is. They're trying to put all that in one in your watch. So for them to take that leap and to be able to do that, I think that's a major, you know, nod to them, because, you know, they're trying to make our life as simple as possible and as convenient as possible. And, you know, me, I appreciate that. So the all new look to it is super slim. I personally appreciate this active series because it's slim, it's not too bulky. I gotta say, I do actually prefer the Apple Watch compared to the Galaxy Watch, but I'm rolling with Galaxy and Android right now, so I'm gonna get this active version of it, and that is not big and bulky and clunky without that big turning bezel on it. I'm gonna get that one instead of the classic, so that's what I'm gonna roll with. I'm recommending. Y'all can see I can't hold in my excitement, man. I'm hyped. I'm really ready to see this Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 the reveal, because I'm ready for it. So without any further ado, we just gonna hit on some things real quick. All right, price $249.99. Get your wallets ready. New OS system, 2 versions of the watch, the Galaxy Watch 4 and the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. New health app features all around the board. BIA system they're measuring, new sleep measures, everything that you want to look for. But anyways, as always, that's gonna be it for this video. As always, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Let's get it.